Want to know how to set time limits on Facebook? You would want to set a time limits on Facebook as it promotes a healthier balance between the digital world and real world priorities. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Online Health Pad and today I'll walk you through the process of how to set time limits on Facebook. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. Firstly, open Facebook app on your screen. Then tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner of your screen. Now tap on the settings and privacy option. Again tap on the settings option. Likewise, under the preference section, you can see the Your Time on Facebook option. Tap on it. Furthermore, scroll down to the bottom and tap on the See How button. Moreover, tap on the Daily Time Limit option at the bottom. Finally, toggle the switch right beside the Daily Time Reminder. Now here you can choose the time. After selecting the time limit, tap on the Set Reminder option. So this is how to set time limit on Facebook. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.